Drop the playlist and vibe with us. Links in bio. Did you know Qatar spent billions just to air condition the outdoors? Not a building, the actual open air. For the 2022 World Cup, engineers buried cooling nozzles under stadium seats and blasted chilled air across the field. Outside temperatures hit over 40 degrees Celsius. Inside those stadiums, a perfect 24. They essentially punched a hole in the desert heat with sheer money and engineering willpower. No country had ever attempted anything close. When unlimited cash meets impossible conditions, the rules of physics start negotiating. More fire on the channel. Go stream it now.